Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to change your name on Facebook. So first of all, launch Facebook app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Once you come here, scroll down below and tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, tap on Settings on top. Now once you come to Settings and Privacy, tap on See More in Account Center. From here, on top you'll see the option of Profiles and Personal Details. Tap on it. Now from here, tap on your Facebook profile given. Now over here, you'll see two of these options, that is Name and Username. So in order to change your name, tap on the category of name. Now, simply edit your name accordingly. Now, one thing you have to note down is that once you change your name, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. So after you have confirmed your name, tap on Review Change. Now, after that, you could preview your new name as well. Once done, tap on Save Changes. So with that, you will successfully be able to change your name on Facebook. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.